This training assumes you have worked with creating and applying retention labels and/or policies. Refer to the compliance video, Introduction to Retention Labels, if a refresher or overview understanding is needed before proceeding. Start by going to compliance.microsoft.com, select Information Governance. If you do not immediately see this option, select Show All. Information Governance is organized into 5 tabs, but we will focus on the Labels tabs. A label must be created before you can add the label to an auto-apply policy. Check the Labels tab on the Information Governance page to verify if a new label needs to be created or an existing label can be added to the policy. Click Create a Label to start the new label wizard. On the Name Your Label page of the wizard, give the label a name that reflects the label's purpose. Add a description for admins and users to inform of the label's intention. Before creating the label, verify all the settings meet your intended requirements. You can always edit any of these settings should a change be required. Now let's add the label we just created to the policy by clicking Auto Apply a Label. We add the label we created earlier to our policy by selecting Choose a Label to Auto Apply. We can search for the label or the tag we created, or simply select it from the list of tags. Remember that only one tag can be added to each policy. As before, should your requirements change, you can simply click Edit to go back and choose a different label. On the Name Your Label page of the wizard, give the policy a name that reflects the policy's purpose. Add a description to inform the policy's intention. Next, we're going to set the locations where this label will be auto-applied. These labels can be applied to SharePoint, OneDrive, Office 365 groups. I'm going to select all Exchange email users. Let's unselect the others as we're looking to apply the policy only to Exchange email. Now we add the people we want the servers to crawl their mailboxes to meet the search conditions. Before creating the policy, verify all the settings meet your intended requirements. You can always edit any of the settings should a change be required. Lastly, we confirm both the label and the auto-applied policy are created. For more information about Microsoft Information Governance, including compliance documentation, visit the link below.